is for angelfish, angelfish. B is for blue whale, blue whale. C is for cuttlefish, cuttlefish. D is for dugong, dugong. E is for eagle ray, eagle ray. F is for flying fish, flying fish. G is for grouper, grouper. H is for horseshoe crab, horseshoe crab. I is for Isopoda, Isopoda. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish. K is for koi fish, koi fish. L is for lobster, a Liz lobster. M is for monk seal, a monk seal. N is for nautilus, nautilus. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pufferfish, pufferfish. Q is for queen angelfish, queen angelfish. R is for ribbon eel, a ribbon eel. S is for sardine, sardine. T is for turtle, turtle. U is for undulating moray eel, undulating moray eel. V is for viperfish, viperfish. W is for wrasse. X is for x-ray fish, x-ray fish. Y is for yellow boxfish, yellow boxfish. Z is for zebra moray, zebra moray. Zebra moray.